Here's what we've been doing at Starlight Horizon in Canyon Lake. We finished up the landscaping and installed new quarry blocks at the front of the property where we will install our sign. This thing is huge, measuring 20 feet wide and will be visible to everyone driving by. The remaining quarry blocks are used as seating around the community for campers to soak in the view over morning coffee. Our new modern fence has been installed on the north side of the property, running around 400 feet long. And of course, the piece of the property that I'm most proud of, the crown jewel of Starlight Horizon, our pool. The pool will be finished in the next 2 months and spans 50 feet long. We have terraced the land to allow guests to soak up the sun next to the pool. This is where we will install our community games like cornhole, ping pong, Jenga, and large Connect 4. As we are pouring concrete to fill the area around the pool, you'll notice an area at the bottom which will have electric outlets and a stage. This area will be used to host local concerts and be an income driver where we can sell day passes to guests to use the pool. Let me assure you, there are no other Airbnbs with this kind of amenity anywhere in Canyon Lake. We are one of a kind, an immersive experience combining luxury and nature at an affordable price. This has absolutely been my favorite project to work on this year. If you'd like to stay here with us, use the discount code in the comments below for 20% off your first stay. And if you'd like to invest in a deal like this in the future, sign up at topproducerinvestmentcapital.com.